My name is Mike Hevener. I am the Sales Enablement and Design Services Director. I've been in the commercial venting industry since 2010. What brought me to the Duravent group and really attracted me to it was leadership, or their charge in innovation and product improvements. The design team takes requests from our customers for specific projects and fulfills their needs and provides them with a quote or submittal drawing associated with a quote. They're also going to provide technical advice, help product selection, and work with our customers from the beginning stages of a project all the way through installation and anything that needs to be troubleshooted. We've got a lot of experienced designers and other members of the team that come together. We have meetings weekly, so a designer that might not have as much experience has a question on something they may have never come across, and the rest of the group can assist and answer those questions for them, give them that knowledge to be able to move forward on their projects.
My name's Keith Page. I've been with Duravent Group for over 23 years now. My role within the collective design team for the commercial pipe department is I'm one of the go-to guys for anything code related. Are we compliant with code? Are we using the right product for this right appliance? And then often I'm the guy at the bottom of the funnel if there's an actual field issue. When a rep knows they have a solid technical support group behind them, that gives them the confidence to go out to their contractors, their customers, or their specifying engineers, knowing that it's going to get done right. But when problems do happen, we are there quick to resolve them.
A few of us sit on different code standard boards, so we're in the thick of it and we can provide that information when something new is coming up. It's constant communication with the group, providing whatever information they need to be able to be successful and give our customers what they need. A lot of our reps carry many different line items and they cannot be experts on all of them, but we focus on this and on venting, and that is what we can provide to them and give them exactly what's needed for the project. The experience of our team and the size of our team. If a larger project comes in, we can have a designer focus on that project. While other projects are still coming in, we're able to give the amount of detail needed for all levels, all scales of different projects because of our experience and the number of people in our group.
It's about knowing the product, knowledge of the product, how it goes together, how this piece fits with this piece. In some cases, they're like tying into an existing system. So we have to figure out what, if we need a custom part, or sometimes there's just tight areas where you have 10 pounds of pipe and you're trying to fit it in a 5-pound space. And a lot of that's just thinking outside the box, trying to figure out a way to get around whatever's in the room. Sometimes they'll come to us with just sketches saying, we've got to avoid this, this, and this. And we figure out how to do that. We do a lot of data centers. We do a lot of grease duct areas. We do boiler exhaust, category 4 boilers a lot. They're becoming more prominent. We provide a service that no one else can provide, really. Just from our sheer turnaround time on quotes and designing systems. Because we have such a large team, we've got 8 designers, including myself, and we have like a very long experience with our group. We have people that been here like me for 30 years, and we have people who are really, really good at what they do. And we have people like Keith Page who can answer questions regarding code things, and Mike, who has been out in the field a lot.
The design team is great for turning around quotes, estimates, and guidance, and they're the best in the industry that I've ever seen.